Hey, peeps, you know what it be. It's your boy, Mr. Floyd, aka the Angry Fowl, back again for another review. Today we are in Hayward, California to try out Papaito Rotisserie, a popular roasted chicken wing spot. Well, I should say roasted rotisserie chicken spot in the Hayward area. Recommended by some coworkers. Checked out their reviews and everything. Shows it's really popular. They got two locations in the Bay, so I decided to pull up and check out the one in Hayward, California. Today we are trying out their rotisserie chicken, their herb rotisserie chicken, some asparagus, and some roasted potatoes. So we gonna get into this review. Oh, but before we jump into this, want to make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share the content. Sharing is caring. Hey, I'm a small channel. I'm just trying to build up right now. So, hey, help your boy out by making sure you hit this like button and share this video. So let's get into this review, peeps. All right, so first on deck, we got the asparagus. As you can see, it's grilled with a little bit of lemon. Had to get some vegetables. They didn't have no green beans, but, gotta keep it funky and healthy one time. These things look really cooked. So let's see if they good or not, peeps. Alright, so we about to get into this review. So first on deck, like I said, we got the asparagus. Looks like it's nicely grilled. Got some little burnt marks on it. Let's see if it's crunchy or it's overly cooked. Okay, so it's still got a nice crunch to it. Nice snap. Not overly seasoned. But overall, I guess it's about a 3.5. Not super flavorful, but it is good. Nice healthy choice to off their menu. They had some other vegetable options, some cream mushroom, a corn salad, some quinoa. So I decided to go with the asparagus because I do like asparagus. So next on deck, we got the roasted potatoes. So it looks like it's a combination of red, yellow, and black potatoes. These things look seasoned and roasted well. You see the little burnt marks. But let's see if these taste better than the asparagus. Let's go. Alright, peeps, so roasted potatoes. So as you can see, this is a red potato. Roasted pretty good. Okay. Yeah. These potatoes. It's hidden. A little bit of herb and butter for the seasoning. Not too crispy, so not overly grilled. I probably would have liked my potatoes to have been a little bit crunchier, but overall, very flavorful and good. I would recommend these. Get these about a 4 out the door. And potatoes hidden. Now, last on deck, we got to get into this chicken because that is the main event. Let's go. All right, last on deck, we got the herb roasted chicken. Let's take a look at this. It comes in two options, either a half or a full chicken. So I got a half, as you can see. Comes with a couple of sauces. So I got like some chimichurri sauce and some other green sauce that he said would go really, really well with the chicken. So this thing looks good, but like I always say, does it taste good? Alright, peeps, so I'm gonna go ahead, we can get into this review. So we got I went with the dark meat of the side, you know, team drum, baby. The drumstick and the thigh. We're gonna try it without the sauce first. Get some of that skin. Hey, this hella good. Hey, no cap. For some rotisserie chicken, it's hella good. Very flavorful. Not salty. Grilled well. Yeah, you don't even need no sauce on this, but some of that thigh meat. But I want to try it with some of this green sauce that they tried. See if you can see that. We'll go ahead and pour a little bit on that, just so you can get your palate going. See what this is about. It's like a creamy kick, not super spicy, but it's good. Definitely good. I would probably prefer without this green sauce. Let's try some of this, I guess, the chimichurri sauce. Oh, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get that on there. The chimichurri sauce is the one. I probably would still, if you had to pick a sauce, I would probably pick the chimichurri. But plain Jane with no sauce, pretty good. Okay, this chicken is about a 5. No cap. This shit hella good. Yeah. Yeah. Chicken definitely good. It's a 5-piece. Let's go ahead and wrap up this review, peeps. Alright, peeps, so we back. I'm about to wrap up this review. Today, I reviewed Papaito Rotisserie, located out here in Hayward, California. Definitely some good eats. Today, we tried out their half herb rotisserie chicken with roasted potatoes and grilled asparagus. The asparagus was about a 3.5. It was good, healthy selection. Just not super seasoned, but it was good. Roasted potatoes was a 4. Definitely good. Super tasty. 4 out the door. But this herb rotisserie chicken, that's a 5-piece. Hella good. Yeah, kind of left me speechless. I didn't know what to expect, because a lot of times people say things are really good, and even with Yelp reviews. And the last time I tried some a chicken spot out in Hayward, that was a murmur. But this right here, this the one. Yeah. Yeah. Chicken overall is a 5-piece. Total, give it about a 4 out the door. So you know what? You know what it is. Go ahead and hit them with that stamp. Boom! Because it's Angry Fowl approved. They do have outside dining, but it was kind of raining today, so I didn't want to shoot outside in the rain or sit in their designated dining area because it was kind of wet. So came to the crib, shot some content, you know what I'm saying? Oh, so yeah, we're gonna wrap this up. We have let me stop. Let me shout out everybody who's actually subscribed to the channel and been supporting your boy. We have finally hit over 100 subscribers, so the contest has concluded. I have picked 2 winners. Shout out to Marcus Reynolds from Oakland, California, and Brad Stanhope. Those are the 2 winners from the contest. So make sure you guys go ahead and check your emails. I have reached out to you guys to let you guys know that you have won. So we're gonna go ahead and keep this thing rolling and keep cranking out this content. Definitely gonna do another contest for another giveaway, probably at 500 subscribers. So let's go ahead and keep it going, peeps. I'm about to get up out of here, you know, to be. It's your boy, Mr. Floyd, aka the Angry Fowl. I check you guys out on the next review.